This easy tutorial will help you fix all bugs and reset the iPhone mirroring setup on Mac and set up again. I am Max. Let's get started. By doing this, you will not lose any data from your Mac or iPhone. Open iPhone mirroring on your Mac using Spotlight Search or Control Center. Then click on iPhone mirroring from top menu and open Settings. Now, see the option for Reset iPhone Access. Once you do it, confirm with the Reset button for setup to use iPhone mirroring again. Don't worry about iPhone widget. That's it. Tap on the Continue button to set up again. If you are getting any error, such as unable to reset iPhone access, then restart both devices and ensure that both devices are updated to the latest iOS and Mac versions. Unlock your iPhone first with your iPhone passcode and wait for a few seconds to verify. Next, allow notifications from iPhone. That's it. Lock your iPhone and access your iPhone on Mac using iPhone mirroring. I hope you have done reset your iPhone mirroring. Please like, share, and subscribe for helpful new video updates.